This is a basic balcony stateroom aboard Royal Princess and accommodates 2 guests. The room size is about 174 square feet and the balcony about 36 square feet. It was comfortable for a solo guest, however, it could feel a bit crowded for 2 people, especially with the lack of additional seating and sofa. The room has limited power outlets and no bedside power or charging ports. The balcony felt very narrow compared to other ships I've previously sailed on. The walk-in closet provided great storage that came at the cost of floor space in the room. The safe was big enough to accommodate a full-size laptop. The bathroom was a decent size, however, the shower curtain and lack of conditioner were 2 things that stood out as weak points.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.